Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to disable auto Wi-Fi on iPhone. So when you turn off the Wi-Fi right here, as you can see, it's turned or highlighted with white color. That means it is not permanently off, or it is not truly off. And if you want to turn it off completely, just go to your settings, then go to Wi-Fi, but this can only be done manually. So as you can see, you turned it off right here on the control center, but when you go to your settings, it is currently turned on and finding available networks. You just need to tap on the switch button right here to permanently turn it off. And when you go back to control center, as you can see, Wi-Fi is disabled. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.